a complete trading system will tell you exactly what to do in all different circumstances. So if your trading system, if you back tested your rules and you could test this hypothesis of if a trade goes sideways for X number of days and doesn't hit the profit target, then exit it, does that improve my system? By learning to backtest your trading ideas, you can answer questions like this yourself. I don't know if it will be better to cut these trades and take new trades or let them run. But if you put these rules into, say, something like Amy Broker, and you backtested them, and then you said, okay, these are the rules I'm trading. If I add the time stop, which gets me out after a certain amount of time, then you backtest it again, doesn't make it better, doesn't make it worse. That answers the question. So what we're about is empowering you to answer your questions like this. And this is the key. So I don't want to tell you close those trades or don't close those trades. But what I want to do is tell you to build the skill to answer great questions like this with analysis. Because in one market, it might make sense to close them, but in another market, it might make much more sense to wait and see them hit the profit target. But what I do know is that if you've got an expectancy of 0.04R after 67 trades, your edge in your trading decisions is very, very small, if at all. And what I would say is that you need to look at the expectancy equation. The expectancy is the percentage of the size of your average win times the percentage of winners minus the size of your average loss times the percentage of losses. Look at that equation for your system, your approach that you're using, and ask yourself, would I be better off if instead of having a 2R profit target, I had a 4R profit target? I was right less often, but it was twice as big. Or maybe not have a profit target at all and have a trend following exit. So that if a stock takes off, it just goes and goes and goes. And I just keep holding it until it stops going up and starts going down. With a expectancy that low after 67 trades, you need to change. You need to look at your strategy, because I think there's probably something wrong, something missing. My best guidance is to learn to backtest, put those rules in, and then try some different exits, try some different widths of stop loss. It might be that your stop loss is too tight and it's getting hit too often. It might be that your 2R profit target is capping your profits at too small a level, and you would have been far better off to let the profits run. But you don't know that until you've done the work, until you've done the backtesting work. It's going to differ between all the different strategies, all the different systems.